Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are doing good today. Josiah and I are eating a baked potato, or more so he's eating it, which I want him to, because he hasn't really ate anything this morning, and well, should I say today, because it's 1:30. He woke up at 10, which is a little late for him. Which is a good thing that he slept so long, because he needed the rest. He still has been dealing with a little feverish. Nose has not been running, not that I could tell today. And that's a good potato, right? Yeah. So yeah, his nose hasn't been running as much today. He had a little bit of a fever when we woke up this morning, so he got some medicine. And so now we're just chilling and recovering, and in another 2 hours I'm gonna give him some more medicine, just try to see if we can keep this temp under control. I mean, we've done the spiritual, we prayed, so let's tell Josiah it's his part to do the natural and make sure that he takes this medicine like he's supposed to, right? Right, you be a good boy and take your medicine. Yeah, okay. And so Ron's been a big help with that, as I told you guys yesterday. So I am going to go ahead and edit and get the vlog up that we did from Monday and Tuesday, and put that together, and then you guys will be able to, should have already watched the video. So yeah, sorry we missed Tuesday, but yeah, that's the reason, one of the reasons. So get some more. Hey guys, so I wanted to go ahead and take Josiah outside. Sir, I need you to close the refrigerator. Guys, look at him. Close the refrigerator. That's rubble. Yeah, but you need to finish drinking. Drink Marshall. Close the refrigerator, please. It's not open. You can drink it tomorrow. Yeah, so I bought these little Paw Patrol juices that he's drinking now. Show everybody Marshall. Let me see Marshall. Yeah, that's Marshall from Paw Patrol. And so he thought the other one in there was Chase, but it's not Chase. That's Rubble. Rubble's yellow. Yeah. So anyways, I wanted to go outside. You want to go outside? Yeah. So we're gonna go outside. He just did number 2 on the pot, guys. That's awesome. He told me, he said, "Mom, caca." And caca in Spanish, or some form of Spanish, means poop. so that's what he's been saying. He said, "Mama, caca." So he went and caca. He did number 1 and number 2 in the potty. And he did so good. And he flushed and all that good stuff. So we're gonna go outside. Come on, Bubba. Hey guys, we're outside. There's a bird. Yeah, the bird. I think he just got him a worm. You see the other birds? They're looking for food. They're hungry. Hey guys, so Ron is here, and he got the little man to take his medicine, praise Jesus. And I went ahead and made nachos for him, so here's his nachos. Yeah, there's cheese underneath of it. We had some yeah, cheese. That's cheese. Yeah. So anyways, I guess I'll eat too. I guess I'll make me a taco or something. It's Taco Thursday? Is that a thing? And is feeling good. And he had the, guys, he had the thermometer. This is the one that we use. It's a rely on. You put it in there, 2 seconds, boom, you're done. You're ready to go. Baby, shh. Wait for a moment. I don't know if they can hear me. So he changed it to Celsius. Do you guys have one of these? Please comment below and tell us how to switch it back to Fahrenheit. Like, I'm Googling, but I can't find it yet. So, anyways, let me give me some to eat, because as late as it is, I shouldn't be eating, but we'll talk to y'all in a bit. Down, down, down.